It's a new day with a new hat and the same jacket and the same dog and the same dog park that we're going to. See if you can see something. Yeah. It is 51 degrees today, so it is warmer than it was yesterday. And I'm loving it. I'm loving this warm weather in February. These are my days off and it's freaking gorgeous and I'm obsessed with it. We're meeting Alyssa and Addie and then her dog sitting client Obi at the dog park. It's 11:20 a.m. Hadn't went to work yet or anything, but he was getting ready to. He has to leave in like 30 minutes. Oh, just kidding. I want to put my blinker on. So he has to like shower and all that stuff. He's playing Players Unknown Battleground right now. I look like a freaking hot mess. Oh well. Oh well, it's my day off. I'm allowed to look like garbage. I'm so excited because I still have tomorrow off. Oh, who's calling me? Oh, my mom's calling me. Talk to you later.
Are you playing with that little guy?
You filthy.
Hey, Addie. Look at Addie playing. Oh, are you playing with dogs? Oh, he's so cute.
Owen has rolled and that's his. Oh, yuck. Addie's looking pretty grody over here too. Come here, let me see your belly, Ad.
Her mud dreadlocks. Look at them. Look at her butt.
Ew.
Her ringlets.
Hi, are you so proud of yourself? Jack showed up.
Center.
That's
They do all kinds of banding and tagging of all kinds of birds, but she's the president of the raptor. She asked me if she could come, but she said, I wish I could come to your program on Saturday, but I have something else going on. Would you ever be able to do it again? And I was like, well,
Jack and Obi, your best friends.
Set up and go.
Come here. Well, you have to leash too. Come here. Go. Oh, good boy, Owen. Yes. Get all the mud off of you. He'll go in. He just doesn't go to where he has to swim. Good boy, Owie pup. Yeah, give it a good hack. Yeah. Yeah, this is where Owen likes to go because it's not too deep. Oh, he doesn't? Owen will go in over here, but oh my God, it's so gorgeous. We are on the hunt for a snowy owl. I got my two little wildlife nerds up front.
Bird nerds, thank you.
Bird nerds, they're gonna teach me the ways
Of the bird.
of bird watching.
And I'm going to be showing you a pretty freaking cool bird for your first outing trip that I've been birding for years, and I just saw my first one 3 days ago.
Yeah, I know. I was excited. Alyssa, since I've known her, has been talking about a snowy owl, trying to find one, and she finally found two the other day, didn't you?
Yeah, and then the next day I saw 4.
Holy moly! So that's what we're doing now. We're looking for the snowy owl.
Oh, yes. That's the same one I saw the other day.
Oh, he's cute. Are you gonna look? I am. It's got a bird bed.
You can probably put that up to the viewfinder and see it through there, Cara. It's called digiscoping.
Okay. Let me take a gander and find him, and then I'll see.
So look, this book has a list in it, and this is how I keep my list.
Oh, okay.
In my other.
Oh, okay. Let me see.
Do you see him, Cara?
Yeah.
He's adorable.
Come on.
That's a juvenile.
See him all the way out. Okay.
It's a shorter doll. I want to see this.
I don't know if we can.
This is not a picture. No.
Right
The juveniles are really darkly barred.
there. Oh, it's hard to get him.
No, here, let me try.
Yeah, you try.
know, so.
I don't think I can get this to do it.
I thought I saw him, like, when I was sitting in the car. Like, I saw his face.
Like, oh. I wonder how far my camera will zoom in. Probably not far enough to see that little bit. Boink. Such a beautiful sight, though. It's gorgeous out here.
Yeah, got one.
You got a picture?
It's not very good, but.
Let me zoom in so you can see.
Well, it's hard because.
I can give you these. You can.
He's blended, right?
Well, that's the point, right? Doesn't want. Because hawks, crows, they'll come and harass him. The short-eared owls. I'm right there. It's not the best picture. We could also move. It smells like hot garbage on a warm summer day out here, doesn't it?
He's pooping.
He's pooping?
No. Because he kind of sat up and I saw. That's what my chickens do. That's how my chickens poop.
Oh, yeah.
That's how my chickens poop. Look, he's looking up in the sky.
Okay.
He's got a good spot right there. He's got a little overhang. Why is his throat doing that?
I don't know. I don't know what he's doing.
His throat's going in and out.
So I don't know if you'll tell. Here, let me find that picture. Here's my picture from the other day.
Standing up tall again.
Look, so he's standing on top of that thing. Oh, okay. So he hasn't moved. I mean, like he's moved, but he's coming back. I took a nap. It's, let me see, 7:56. So almost 8 o'clock. And I'm making some cheese fries. Just fed Owen dinner, and I'm not gonna do much for the rest of the night. Probably gonna go ahead and call it a night. I'm off tomorrow too. I feel good. These last few days have made me feel so good. The weather's been nice, and I've been able to take Owen out on walks and, you know, sleep some. It's like yoga for the brain. Just to not do anything. Just to hang out with my friends, and I feel really good. That's the first time I've said that, I think, since I've started my channel. Yeah, I feel really good. I have another day off, and then I work one day, then I have 3 more days off. Oh my god, like, I don't even know how to comprehend. I'm feeling so good, and yeah, I feel good. Hi, Owie. Alright, I'm gonna call it a night. I'll see you tomorrow. If it's warm, Andrea and I talked about going down and like sitting on the chairs by the lake and hanging out. We'll see what tomorrow brings. Alright, anyway. Either way, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good night, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love that I have I'm hovering right around 43 subscribers, and everybody comments on my videos, and it's so cute, and I love it. And let me know what you want to see next. If you like the mukbangs, I'll make more mukbangs. If you like the vlogs, I'll make more vlogs. I'm going to do both either way, but that way I know what to upload in what order, so let me know, because, you know, your opinion matters too. Oh my god, I'm a potato. Alright. Good night, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.